What price does power demand? In the heart of humanity's bold pursuit of knowledge, we find the atomic bomb as the ultimate paradox, a marvel of human ingenuity and a harbinger of unspeakable tragedy. From the fires of industry to the halls of theoretical physics, humanity has always pursued control over nature. But what happens when that control threatens the very essence of life itself? Emerging from the realm of nuclear fission and scientific discovery, the atomic bomb represents both a technological breakthrough and a moral quagmire. It is the point where the dreams of harnessing the atom collided with the nightmares of mass annihilation. Born from the secretive halls of the Manhattan Project, spearheaded by J. Robert Oppenheimer, this weapon was envisioned as a force to end war. Behind closed doors, thousands of the world's brightest minds gathered in Los Alamos, chemists, physicists, engineers, bound by secrecy and urgency. They weren't just building a bomb, they were redefining reality. Their calculations were complex, their doubts real. But they moved forward, believing that this weapon, if used once, might never need to be used again. On July 16, 1945, at the Trinity Test, the world witnessed the first drop of science into chaos. The desert lit up with a blinding flash, turning night into day. What was once theory had become terror incarnate. These words resonated deeply, marking the moment when scientific ambition collided with ethical uncertainty. The brilliant flash translated decades of research into an incendiary spectacle, echoing Oppenheimer's somber voice as he murmured, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." As the atomic bomb unleashed destruction over Hiroshima and Nagasaki, its searing power reshaped history. In an instant, tens of thousands perished, and countless survivors, the hibakusha, would carry the scars of both radiation and loss. Children vanished in a breath, shadows burned into stone walls. The blast wasn't just physical, it shattered the fabric of humanity. The immediate devastation gave way to long-term suffering, lives shattered, communities in mourning, and the persistent threat of radiation-induced illness. For the hibakusha, time froze that day. The silence that followed was louder than the explosion itself. Yet the shadows of Hiroshima and Nagasaki stretched far beyond the moment of impact. As decades passed, the nuclear arms race during the Cold War deepened the global divide. By the 1960s, there were enough nuclear warheads on Earth to destroy the planet several times over. Schoolchildren practiced duck and cover drills, while world leaders played a deadly game of brinkmanship. Nations balanced precariously on the edge of mutually assured destruction, a balance so fragile that one mistake, one misunderstanding, could have ended all life as we know it. Meanwhile, survivors and scholars began to raise urgent questions about the harrowing ethics of nuclear warfare. Today, emerging threats, from accidental detonations to the specter of AI-controlled arsenals, underscore the delicate balance between progress and peril. In a world of automation and machine intelligence, what happens when decisions of life and death are no longer in human hands? Can we trust silicon with apocalypse? In this reflective journey, we stand at a crossroads between legacy and future. The narrative of the atomic bomb is not merely one of scientific triumph. It is a story of human resilience, a warning etched into the soul of civilization, and a reminder that every leap in innovation carries profound responsibility. Innovation without ethics is a loaded gun. The atomic age is not behind us. It is a shadow cast on every moment of our present. As historical footage of mushroom clouds and quiet resolve tells its tale, we are confronted with a timeless question. Was the atomic bomb meant to never be used again? Or is it simply waiting for its moment? Reflect deeply, for within the echo of destruction lies the hope of forging a better tomorrow. Consider this legacy as both a warning and a call to action, urging us to embrace our responsibility in stewarding the future of our world. Let us remember the sacrifices made in the shadow of nuclear might. Let us recognize that every scientific triumph demands a moral compass. Because in the end, it is not the bomb, but our choices that will shape the fate of the world.